Welcome aboard the Carnival Radiance, where we're taking a look at balcony room 6419. Moving over to the storage, the first of the three wardrobe cabinets has a shelf, the safe, and mid-size hanging space. The second cabinet offers long hanging space with a full-length mirror on the door, which is great when you're getting dressed for dinner or a formal night. The last cabinet has a shelf, short hanging space, and a cooler down at the bottom for keeping a few drinks or snacks cool. Right inside the door, you'll see the power saving slot where you need to insert a card to keep the lights and AC running. I always use an old cruise card, a credit card, or ask my stateroom attendant for an extra card if I don't have one handy. The main cabin light switches are also located here, making it easy to turn everything on or off as you come and go. The thermostat is digital and easy to use, so you can quickly adjust the temperature to your comfort level. Stepping into the restroom, you'll find the familiar compact Carnival layout, but it's laid out efficiently. There's a vanity with a single sink, a well-lit mirror, and several narrow shelves on the sides for your toiletries. The counter space is limited but manageable if you keep things organized. The shower is curtain walk-in style with an adjustable shower wand, built-in dispensers for basic shampoo and shower gel, a grab bar for stability, and a pull-out clothesline that's handy for drying swimsuits or small items. And yes, it does feature the classic shower curtain that has a reputation all of its own. The bed here is currently set up in the king configuration, but it can also be converted into two twins if you prefer. Above the bed, you'll find convenient light switches that let you control the main lights in the room without getting up. On the same wall as the bed, there's a couch that can be converted into an additional bed if needed, paired with a nice size coffee table. Spanning the back wall, there are 3 separate reading lamps, giving you plenty of focused lighting options whether you're relaxing on the couch at night or winding down. On the opposite wall, a mid-sized TV mounted with a few cabinets underneath for organization. Moving over to the vanity area, you have a long vanity with a backlit mirror that's great for getting ready. There are 2 shelves above for toiletries or smaller items, plus multiple drawers to keep everything tucked away. For charging, you'll find 1 European receptacle, 2 US receptacles, and 2 USB-A ports to help keep your devices powered up. I'll leave a link in the description to the European adapter I recommend for easy, hassle-free charging. On the balcony, you'll enjoy unobstructed views with 2 chairs and a small table, giving you a private spot to sit outside and take in the ocean or port scenery. Overall, this cabin offers practical storage, flexible sleeping arrangements, and a comfortable balcony setup that works well for many types of cruisers. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next horizon.